Hello everyone, welcome to Lukman IS. Today we are going to have the Hindu analysis of 9th January 2021. So let us see which are the important articles in today's The Hindu newspaper. So these are the articles for mains purpose and for prelims purpose. Let us see one by one. First article on page number 6, editorial page. The context of the article, recently the unfortunate incident of we can say rape and murder of 50-year-old Anganwadi worker in Badaun district of UP. So the article is again discussing from social justice perspective, society, and let's say there can be a essay again on this topic, that the gender inequality, the patriarchy in our society, at the same time the women empowerment. Okay, so all these issues are very much important, and from time to time such kind of heinous acts that we observe in a society, it is nothing but the blot to our society. We can say the very unfortunate event. I am again let's say emphasizing on this. Why? Because in this, let's say very especially when the National Commission for Women and its head expresses such view which are very much regressive, rather than the let's say the kind of views she should have on the women empowerment and such incidences she should condemn, rather than she focused on, let's say what should not have been done by the victim and such kind of statement. We will see and the analysis. So yes, you can see here UPSC 2020 mains examination that is presently going on and essay paper completed. So जो 8 तारीख को जो पेपर हुआ है essay पेपर, तो उसमें ये जो टॉपिक आया था, patriarchy is the least noticed yet the most significant structure of our social inequality. It directly relates to this topic. Okay, editorial page. So editorial, तो आप यहाँ से input ले सकते हैं. So every year there can be question from the social issues, women related issues. So you need to know these issues in depth, the incidences that are happening in our society, some facts, data that is mentioned here about the crimes against the women that are happening. ठीक है, तो वो डेटा आप अपने सपोर्ट में यूज करना चाहिए आर्गुमेंट्स में, एनालिसिस में. सो यस, सोशल जस्टिस, जेंडर इक्वालिटी, women empowerment. Okay, so the 50-year-old Anganwadi worker who visited a temple at night time was found brutally battered outside her home at village in Badaun district. Okay, so after she succumbed to the injuries, a depressingly similar pattern came to light. The police had deterred with both post-mortem and registering FIR. Again, we can say even after death also the police did not act in a responsible manner. Okay, so after that, what was the statement of, let's say, National Commission for Women head, or let's say senior member of, sorry, not head, senior member of National Commission for Women who visited the family, Chandramukhi Devi? She said that I tell women again and again that they should never go out at odd hours under anyone's influence. I think if she had not gone out in the evening or was accompanied by any child of the family, perhaps this incident could have been avoided. So such kind of regressive statements by important, let's say, body which is responsible for protection of women. Okay, so when insensitive utterances emanate from National Commission actually meant for upholding women's rights, it reeks of primitive mindset wherein lawlessness is overlooked and responsibility pinned perversely on women for ensuring her own well-being. A very poor state of our, let's say, institutions. You can mention this example also. Okay. So all the hard work put by the women in all spheres, including science and technology, comes undone by such crude statements. So, and in analysis we can say that the equal rights movement means nothing if women are stopped from going out whenever they want to or need to, day or night. Okay. So it is also imperative that with society steeped in gender prejudices, the government, police and family must step up to provide a safe environment. So role of the government, role of the police, role of the family is very important to provide safe environment. Some important data in 2019, NCR data shows that 88 rape cases were recorded every day in India, with UP reporting the second highest number, 3065 cases. This shows the situation in India. Almost 88 rape cases recorded every day in 2019. Okay, but this is, we can say that the least number that we can expect here, because most of the, we can say many of the rape cases are not reported due to social stigma. We can understand that, and this is the real situation at the ground level. Although after the Nirbhaya incident in 2012, the Criminal Law Amendment Act laid down the rules for stringent punishment, and crimes against the women still continue even after such amendment and stringent let's say punishment. It is not acting as a deterrent. Okay, so it is pointing to the fact that issues that are issues that are outside the legal aspect, that is social aspects, that are needed to be addressed here. For example, patriarchal mindset and poor policing. ठीक है, तो जो पुलिस इंस्टीट्यूशन जो है या लॉ एंड ऑर्डर जो है हमारे सोसाइटी में, रूल ऑफ लॉ जिसको हम बोलते हैं, दैट इज वेरी मच लेट्स से इन अ पुअर सिचुएशन. दैट्स व्हाई दीस इंस्टेंसेस आर हैपनिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. फॉर जेंडर पैरिटी, मोर वुमेन मस्ट ज्वाइन द वर्कफोर्स. This is the need of the hour, but at the same time, what is happening is women participation in the workforce is declining day by day, and given the nature of pandemic we experienced in last 1 year, जो COVID-19 की वजह से already there is, let's say, decline in the participation of women, and somehow the men, after let's say this data, very important, Center for Monitoring Indian Economy data, it shows that only 10.7% of the workforce in 2019-20 women accounted for, and many lost jobs due to pandemic. And by November 2020, many men recovered their jobs, however women had not. ठीक है, तो ये हम समझ सकते हैं इस सिचुएशन से कि women are facing problem even after pandemic. Now they are going to face more problem in terms of economic, let's say, participation in economic sphere. So it is the matter of shame that even in 2021 women are asked to stay indoors at night instead of reaching for the moon. Use these words, use these strict words in your answers, be it ethics paper or essay paper. ठीक है, तो ये एक हमारे लिए शेम है, सबके लिए है, ठीक है, सोसाइटी के लिए, कंट्री के लिए. सो यूज सच काइंड ऑफ लेट्स से स्टेटमेंट्स, बिकॉज दिस इज व्हाट वी फील एंड यू शुड रिफ्लेक्ट योर फीलिंग्स, नॉट एंगर. रादर वी कैन से दैट द सॉरी सिचुएशन दैट वी आर फेसिंग. ओके, so yes, the essay topic directly relating patriarchy in our let's say is the least noticed yet the most significant structure of social inequality. Social equality, इसमें एक पार्ट होता है जेंडर इक्वालिटी, और ये होता है तुम्हारा पैट्रियार्की का मेन मैनिफेस्टेशन. ठीक है, ओके. नेक्स्ट, यूथ किल एंडेंजर्ड डॉल्फिन इन यूपी. Now you may have seen this video also, and again this is unfortunate incident that has happened because of lack of awareness or wildlife awareness among the people. These local people consider, or let's say were threatened by this aquatic animal. They considered that this is threat to their life. Okay, and they started, let's say, killing this Gangetic dolphin, which is endangered species, and the government is working for protection of this species, right? So what is important for us from prelims perspective, we need to know, because on this year's Independence Day the Prime Minister had announced the Project Dolphin also. ठीक है, तो वो भी हमारे लिए important है कि इस साल prelims में वो question आ सकता है. Okay, so yes, a video of group of men and boys in Uttar Pradesh, Pratapgarh, district beating to death Gangetic River dolphin surfaced on social media. An endangered species, Gangetic River dolphin is recognized as national aquatic animal. Okay, and it is provided with strict protection, that is, it is included in Wildlife Protection Act Schedule 1. So, killing or trade or any kind of such activities are prohibited. Punishment is given, like it is a punishable offence under section 951 of 9/51 of Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Okay, the incident also shows that wildlife awareness is much needed for conservation of these species. And on the Independence Day, August 2020, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced Project Dolphin for conservation of aquatic mammals. Okay, so Project Dolphin, उसके बारे में basic information यहाँ पे दी गई है. For example, the 10-year project to focus both river and sea dolphin. So the project is not only focusing on Gangetic dolphin, rather the oceanic dolphins also. Okay, the aim to strengthen the biodiversity, create employment opportunities, attract tourism. Okay, what are the threats that are faced by the dolphins? Like killing, habitat fragmentation by dams, barrages, indiscriminate fishing. ठीक है, तो ये इसकी वजह से ये कम हो गया है. Ganges river dolphin, species of freshwater dolphin primarily found in Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers and their tributaries in India, Bangladesh and Nepal. Suppose one of the statement is there that it is only found in India or India and Bangladesh, not in Nepal. ठीक है, तो ये 3 कंट्रीज में वो जो है गैंगेटिक डॉल्फिन जो मिलता है. ओके, सो बांग्लादेश, नेपाल एंड इंडिया. In India, these dolphins are let's say sighted in deep rivers of Assam, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal. Officially, this Ganges river was discovered in 1801. ठीक है, and it can only live in fresh water. So fresh water Gangetic dolphin के बारे में ये information है. IUCN status endangered. So all over the world we find the riverine dolphins. So different local names are given to these riverine dolphins. For example, you can see here जो Gangetic dolphin को local name से सुसु बोला जाता है, because it creates whistling sound when it communicates. Whistle का आवाज करते हो. ठीक है, so that's why the name सुसु. Ganga river, similar kind of, let's say, riverine dolphin found in Indus river. It is named as Bhulan in Pakistan. Okay, and Amazon river में उसको बोटो बोला जाता है, and Yangtze river in China बाइजी. Okay, so from this you can understand ये कैसे याद रखना चाहिए. सुसु जो है सिर्फ ये नाम याद रखो, गंगा रिवर है, बाकी सारे नाम जो है बी से शुरू होते हैं. देखो, भूलन, बोटो, बाइजी. सो बाइजी चाइना, ऐसे थोड़ा सा लिंक याद रख सकते हैं हम. भूलन somehow it is let's say हिंदी वर्ड और उर्दू वर्ड्स को लिंक करके आप पाकिस्तान का याद रख सकते हो. इंदस रिवर का और सुसु याद रहेगा जरूर, क्योंकि इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर लेट्स से इंडियाज बायोडाइवर्सिटी. फ्रेश रिवर डॉल्फिन. ओके, सो सच काइंड ऑफ प्रीलिम्स क्वेश्चन वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट. मैच द फॉलोइंग, लाइक विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स इज और आर करेक्टली मैच्ड. सो द लोकल नेम्स ऑफ दिस डॉल्फिन्स, सुसु गंगा रिवर, दिस इज करेक्ट. Bhulan, Indus river, this is correct. Boto, Yangtze river, this is incorrect. Boto is Amazon river, found in Amazon river. And Yangtze river में कौन सा मिलता है? बाइजी. So we can expect such kind of question from environment section in your examination. Lastly, one update from India-China relations. Delhi asked Beijing to allow crew change for stranded sailors. So we know that China has some let's say put some sanctions on the import of coal from Australia in recent times, and because of that many Indian ships are stranded in China. 2 ships, MV Jag Anand, MV Anastasia, are among the several carrying Australian coal that have been unable to offload their cargo after China essentially banned coal imports amid deteriorating relations with Australia. So China has said that the ships are free to leave and has placed responsibility on freight forwarding companies for resolving the impasse. At the same time, the companies neither want to incur the cost of cargo or lose their waiting spots, leaving the sailors caught in the middle. Okay, so the crew member, Indian crew member, is now let's say stranded there, and the government of India has requested Chinese counterparts to, let's say, agree for exchange of this crew members, और वी कैन से दैट जो स्टैंडर्ड है उनको वो चेंज करके दूसरे क्रू मेंबर्स को वहाँ पे कंपनी के अलाउ करने के लिए बोला गया है. ओके, सो वन ऑफ द फॉलो अप वी कैन हैव ऑन इंडिया चाइना रिलेशंस. ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है, आपको डेवलपमेंट्स पता होने चाहिए. Important captions and quotations from the first article, you can use directly them, either you can use them in ethics paper, society paper, GS1, and especially essay. Whenever there is essay on women empowerment, gender inequality, patriarchy in our society, social injustice, use this. Okay, so yes, these were important articles from today's The Hindu newspaper. For further information on editorial discussion classes wherein in-depth analysis of mains related issues and articles is done by Ansari sir and team, you can contact Lukman IAS. Thank you.